This is when nature calls. You don't have to be a horse's ass. Remember that movie, Spirit? It was a good one. What do you know? There's 4 horses. 4 horses. And they might come to talk. Hello there, Mr. Ed. It's a lovely day for a walk, isn't it, fellas? It's a beautiful sunny day here in Canada. We have our local Bus Fusion in town. That's right, Bus Fusion is in town. Don't forget to check it out. And because of a great performance, the Hub is having a grand opening this weekend. And if you haven't found tickets to this guy's show, you best get on it. Grandma will never forgive you. He does a really good job. He definitely knows how to entertain. I was proud to be at his birthday celebration. Good day to eat some greens. Have some spinach, some broccoli, green beans, cantaloupe, no, honeydew. If you're into that kind of thing. Here's some local traffic. Your local traffic update. We've got some busy roads. And you are watching the Mike Poirier Star Wars Room Show When Nature Calls at a live location here in Canada, where we're so glorious and free from far and wide. Oh, Canada, our home and native land. Look at the pretty weeds. That's a traveling car. It's not a traveling van yet. Soon to be. Drive clean. Kiss a clown's ass. This has been our broadcast day.